So, should we get political now? Well, I don't think so. After all, this is a photography related YouTube channel. But when I get old and grumpy, I'm sure I will start one day. Thank you so much. Also, look at this one. Let's keep in mind. This is how not to cross the street. This is really great area. I think this is just the right camera for the job. Did you put microphone on? Hello. Reflections like this are incredibly difficult to achieve. You need to hit just the right angle to capture what you want. And in fact, sometimes you need to play at least few minutes to find the right angle. And your camera must be very, very close to the surface to eliminate all the other reflections. And even though sometimes you try hard for 10-15 minutes, still doesn't work. But here I was able to achieve the reflection of the London Eye and part of this building. At the same time, I'm not capturing any of this, which is really amazing. So Kasia, can you show everybody on my screen? Can you see it? That's one possibility. And that's the version with the building at the top. There is a beautiful, beautiful geometry in this shot. I'm trying to do the same with this glass, but you have to be aware that not every surface, not every glass will work for this type of shots. So here it completely doesn't work because there is such a distortion in this glass.
Frustrated sometimes.
Yes, it is.
Especially when you come across a really good shot as if you're hard.
In order to get tower in the middle, you need to be basically taller than Olaf, okay? And it's really hard, but look at this. Wow, look at the car. Oh no, wait, man, one more.
Thanks a lot, mate.
Thank
Appreciate
you.
it.
Let me take a look. That's lovely. Love it.
Makes you look very British. Very British.
You are so British now.
Looks nice.
Don't be afraid to change perspective, because Vincent is very nice, so he allowed us to photograph, and so don't be afraid to change perspective and try different things.
I love your mustache. A few children in the ground. For safety reasons, can I point out, kids?
Concentration, observation, seeing the light, designing the stage, and letting your subject walk in.
Hi guys, my name is Tom and I'm participating in Olaf's workshop in London, March 2018. And I have to say, having attended a lot of workshops, that's definitely the one that changed me a lot and the most in the past. So it was an eye-opening experience, learning to see the light, see forms, shapes, talk to people, arrange the scene, arrange the stage. And for me, it's like there's life before the workshop and a life after. And I'm very sure, and I already see it, the life after produces much nicer photos. So thank you very much, and I'll be back.